Alright, this is the video about how to create AI brain and the logic inside it. So, in case you have uh, forget a lot of stuffs about how to set up the character, so I'm going to redo a character here. So firstly, let's go back to the assets folder and find the Pixel Heroes pack. And inside that, let's see demos and the character prefab. Let's see, for example, I want to use this one, Blade Master. Blade Master. And let's drag it here. Drag it onto the scene. Firstly, we need to set the size of it. For example, here is only 1, but 1.3 is a suitable size for the environment. Let's set it as it is right now. That's one thing. On the other hand, let's add component. Let's find the character. Inside that, because this is a AI character, so let's just auto build AI character. We can just click here, and everything will be displayed here. Inside that, the AI work is no longer needed, so we can just remove this AI work component. Okay, so if we finish that, let's have a play. Inside that, we can already see our character is having a idle animation here. So why it's not working? Because we haven't added the AI brain. So let's add component, find AI brain. Inside AI brain, we have states. So AI brain is the function that used to identify and transit from one state to another. For example, in the beginning, we want a AI patrol. So in here, in the action place, we need a AI patrol script. But before we add actions here, we need to change the state name. So we can transit from one state to another. For example, here we can set patrol, and then add another script called AI patrol. Then in the action place, we can just add AI patrol here. On the other hand, we need to find another AI target detection by radiance. So let's find it. Yes, AI. So go down to the AI decisions. All the decisions will appear here in the transitions block. Where's it? AI detect target radius. Select it. Then you will see a round yellow circle. So right now the detection radius is 3. Let's just add one action here called the AI decision detection. So if this enemy detect our player, then it should able to attack. But we haven't added the attack state. We can just keep it like this. And on the other hand, if it failed to detect, so it will go back to patrol. In the meantime, we need to click the second plus under the first plus icon. And then here we create a new state called attack state. In attack state, we need to create a new script called AI action shoot. AI action shoot is used to shoot or attack. So in the AI state, in the attack state, we change that into AI shoot. On the other hand, the transition is the same. So if it's in this target radius, then it will attack. Otherwise, it won't attack and go back to patrol. The logic is pretty simple. So let's have a look and see if it can walk and attack. Okay, it takes a little bit longer than I expected, but let's just wait a little bit more. Okay, it's moving. It's moving already. So why it works like that? Because we haven't linked all this Corgi engine to this character's animation, but that's totally okay. So on the left side, let's see the movement. My character moving here. So right now it should be able to attack. So you see it's actually walking to the same direction as I did. So that's AI detection. Oh, right now it's following me already. So that's it. So let's stop it first and go back to fix the animation part. Let's go back to the animator. Go back to the animator. So this character animator looks quite complex, but we just need to add two more things. The first thing is the attack. We already have this attack, but this one cannot be used, so we need to add another attack. We delete the first one, and create a new Boolean attack. On the other hand, what we need is walk and idle. So create idle and create walking. That's the basic things we need. So in this animator, we don't need to change a lot. So we just need to change some transitions here. For example, here this is attack true, and there should be a attack animation like that. So in order to let it attack faster than we can drag this block a little bit lower and change the whole position to cover this the blue part and play again. So it's a little bit too long. Keep it a little bit. That's it. And the duration. Let's have a check. That's it. Or we can just set like this. Keep the transition offset like 0. It's like 0. So it will initial start from the attack animation in the beginning. Okay, just keep it like that. And then on the other hand, this part we can take that as attack force. Or we can just delete that because the attack animation will keep a little bit longer. So we can just link a transition from any state to attack. On the other hand, let's find the run, because in our character, it's not run, it's just activated by walking. So we can use this. We can delete the first animation state. We delete that and create walking through, and then go back and delete this one. Like we add walking force. Okay, so then let's have a look, see whether it's working. Cool. The character is working fine. So let's go back. So you can see it's chasing our character. So what we need to do is uncheck this AI patrol, uncheck AI decision, and uncheck AI action shoot. So let's go back again. See is that working or not. It seems that the logic is something wrong here. Need to fix a little bit. AI patrol is okay, and reset position on test. So the AI detected okay, and target is player. Oh, it seems it's affected by our character. So there must be something wrong with the keyboard activation. Let me check. So I need to go back to the jump, uncheck this jump, uncheck this run, and horizontal movement, it should be right. We should keep that as 3. And do not import the read import. Here it said read import. I uncheck this one. Have a look. So it will move, but it's still activated, affected by our character. So let me check what's wrong. I remember there is a key. I will need to uncheck this blade master. Okay, that's the one affecting our character. Let's check again. Okay, right now it's good. So here it should be able to attack, but right now it's not attacking. Why is that? Because we haven't give it a weapon. So right now let's go here in the hierarchy window, find the blade master, right click it and open prefab, and open asset in isolation. Choose this one. Choose this one, and then in this same view, let on the hierarchy window, let's right click on the blade master again, and create an empty. create empty, and the name should be swing blade. Swing blade, and create a melee weapon. This part we set the trigger mode into semi-auto, and then burst mode, magazine, and position. These all things we don't need to pay attention to. And here, use animation parameter part. We set attack. And feedback. Later we can add sound into that, but right now we just keep it like this. And then let's go back. Next will be melee damage area. Let's change the direction of the hitbox. Expand a little bit more, but right now we cannot see clear, so let's find out the animation window, or find the attack, and find the effect box. For example, our character swing twice, 1 and 2, but for easier control, we can set that as a hit active duration of this hitbox. So we can use this bigger size as the hitbox. Make this bigger, move it. Try to let the whole box cover its swing space. That's it. And there's some delay, should be some delay here. So inside here we can see that's the first swing, and the next swing there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. So at least it will last 0.4. We just take 0.4. So the initial delay should be 1.4. Let's just keep that way and have a look. The target master should be the player, and then it will set a force to hit back our character. And if we set all these things, then we need to go back to the assets, find the canals, and not canals, find the pixel hero pack, and find the demo or weapon prefab, and drag your new weapon here. So I will going to delete this unneeded thing here. Okay, so this is the swing blade. And if you finish that, this swing blade will be no longer needed in this prefab. So let's delete this. So click this button and go back to our scene. Find our character handle weapon script, lock it. So we need to swing blade, we need to put it here, swing blade melee weapon. Then let's play and have a look whether it's working or not. Right now we are going to check whether the timing is perfect or not. So as we can see, the timing is too early. The timing is too early. Okay, so let's go back to our blade parameter. 1.4 or 0.4 is too early, so we can set 0.6 and have a look. Again. Okay, it's still too early. How about 0.8? Okay, disappeared. And my time between use too. So as we can see, the space is a little small. So let's go back here and widen it a little bit more. About the timing part, so we need to keep debug it a little bit. So one way is to changing the initial delay. Another way, I found another way is to change the animated play. For example, we can see the playtime. The playtime is a little bit longer, so I'm going to find this play mask, play master, the attack, and change that. This the simple is already 11, already 11. So in the animator, we'll try a different way for them. Let's try drag it a little bit longer. So in this case, it will attack only once. It is a little bit one 1 second, a little bit longer than 1 second. So go back to the go back to the go back to the weapon. Go back to the weapon and have a look whether it's working or not. You see, this timing is much better. This timing is much better. You see. So I think the main method to change the delay time would be directly change the position of this inspector in the inspector window. Change the timing of this transition. It will be much helpful. Okay, and so this is for the AI part. So on the other hand, if you finish that, you can always you can, if you want to find other AI templates or examples, you can always go back to assets and find in Corgi Engine, and in the demos in ritual, there is a thing called the ritual AI. So inside that, there's a lot of characters with AI sets. So here, for example, you can see this AI brain include the patrol, aiming, shooting, lot of stuff. So you can just copy all the logics here. For example, this bigger boss has a lot of power, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 states of the of the AI logic we can use. Okay, that's the character part. Then let's go back to talk about how to use all the animation in our scene. For example, we have seen today. So we want to set another yellow door to open. So in this case, please remember, because here actually this this door is controlled by our yellow door opening zone. It's called the minimal yellow door, right? So in order to keep that as simple as possible, we can just move in the hierarchy window. Firstly, we need to find our door, the door which we need to control, and drag this minimal yellow door into the door we need. In this way, if next time you can just copy or duplicate it from here, and then drag to any place you want. For example, I just want to drag it here. Another door. That's another door. So this door is no longer needed. Drag it a little bit inside, and so because our character our character is going to open this door on the right side. So let's set this opening zone onto the right side too. So open the drop menu. Inside the yellow door, minimal yellow door, we can select this yellow door opening zone and drag it towards the right. So if you set, then have a play. Firstly, we are going to go. Okay, I haven't added the death animation, but you can do that by yourself. So we can go and get the key, and let it jump back. Okay, the jump back is a little bit difficult. Okay, so let's go back, and then jump down, and the door is able to open. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so that's today's tutorial. If you have any questions, just ask me on Facebook. Thank you very much.